Peace be upon you and your family. 11th Chemistry, Referential Course Model, Unit 7, Applied Chemistry. We are going to discuss the answer key under the name Students Activity and Assessment. Come to the Students Activity. Identify from the following which does not contain natural dyes: potato, beetroot, carrot, turmeric. Potato is not used as a natural dye. This type of food protects us from deficiency disease, vitamins. Third one is 1 nanometer is 10 power minus 9 meter. 1% solution of iodoform is used as antipyretic, antimalarial, antiseptic and antacid, antiseptic. Come to the assessment part. What are called anesthetic? How are they classified? Anesthetic, the drugs which cause loss of sensation is called anesthetic. Chloroform, nitrous oxide, diethyl ether are used as an anesthetic. Nowadays, chloroform is not used as an anesthetic because chloroform combined with the oxygen and converted into carbonyl chloride called phosgene, which is poisonous in nature. Therefore, nowadays the safest anesthetic, nitrous oxide, laughing gas, is used as an anesthetic. Anesthetic is classified into two types. One is general anesthetic, also called whole body anesthetic, and local anesthetic. It makes loss of sensation to a particular part, that is called local anesthetic. What is the need for chemical fertilizers in craft field? The term chemical fertilizer refers to any number of synthetic compound substances created specifically to increase crop yield. Some chemical fertilizers, for example, are nitrogenous, containing nitrogen, while others are phosphate-based fertilizers. Other fertilizers are potash. Complex or blended chemical fertilizer often contain a mixture of ammonium phosphate, nitrophosphate, potassium, and other nutrients. The importance of using chemical fertilizers are, when it comes to the advantages of using chemical fertilizers in agriculture, it's all about efficiency. Chemical fertilizers allow growers to maximize their crop yield on a specific piece of land. The more the plant grows, the better. Fertilizer works to ensure that each piece of land produces as efficiently as possible. As long as you know how to approach the use of chemical fertilizers, they can even make otherwise poor quality land produce significant yield. Now, come to the third assessment. What is forensic chemistry related to? Forensic chemistry applies scientific principles, techniques, and methods to the investigation of crime. Methods used in crime investigation by a forensic chemistry lab is fingerprints, biometrics, and alcohol test. Fourth assessment, explain the types of dyes based on their method of application. Based on method of application, dyes are classified into acid dyes, basic dyes, modern dyes or indirect dyes, direct dyes and wet dyes. 5. Name various food additives and explain their functions. Food additives. Type of food additives. Preservatives. Function of the additive. They protect foods from spoilage by microorganism storage. Example, vinegar, sodium benzoate, benzoic acid and sodium nitrate. Then types of additive, colorants. They give pleasant color to food. And examples are carotenoids, anthocyanin and curcumin. Third one is artificial sweeteners. Functions, they add sweet taste to food. Examples are saccharin and cyclamate are the examples of artificial sweeteners. Then flavor enhancers. They are used to enhance the flavor of food items. Example, monosodium glutamate and calcium dichromate are the two examples of flavor enhancers. Then antioxidant. They prevent the oxidation of food. They protect us against cardiovascular disease. Vitamin C, vitamin E, carotene are example of the antioxidant. My dear students, in this video we discussed the answer key for Unit 7 Applied Chemistry. Thank you very much.